The origin of the Giant Lantern Festival, known locally as Ligligan Parol in San Fernando, Pampanga, can be traced back to a simpler, older religious tradition. The tradition finds its roots in the town of Bacolor, which was once the provincial capital of Pampanga. Devout Catholics would carry lanterns or parol during the religious procession called lubenas. This was a 9-day novena procession held before Christmas, coinciding with the Simbang Gabi or Dawn Masses, where lanterns and images of patron saints were brought around the barrio and eventually to the town church. The earliest lanterns were small, about 2 feet in diameter, and lit with candles or carbide lamps. Following the transfer of the provincial capital from Bacolor to San Fernando in August 1904, the lantern-making tradition followed. Over time, the lanterns became bigger and their designs grew more intricate. The community effort of making one large lantern per barrio or village for the processions became a symbol of unity. The official Giant Lantern Festival began in 1931 with the introduction of electricity to the San Fernando lanterns. This allowed for the spectacular illusion of dancing lights, which were initially controlled by individual switches manually turned on and off to the beat of music. The first festival in 1931 was notably held to honor the then-President Manuel L. Quezon, who was trying to make Pampanga a model province. This rich history of artistry and community spirit in crafting the immense, colorful lanterns is why San Fernando, Pampanga has earned the title of the Christmas capital of the Philippines.